Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Going on YouTube. I'm about to these are my front door panels. I just took the vinyl off. It's bubbling, but it's bubbling because I had them sitting up and got hot. Wasn't even in the car, whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna paint them back and I'm gonna paint this handle back the original color. But I'm about to put the tweeters in the front, flush mount, flush mount. I was debating if I was gonna put them back here or in the center somewhere, but I go ahead and put them right here. I think so far, because I really don't need them up here though, because I got that 6.5 and then that sub 6.5, which I got playing high notes. But I like how the back ones sound so good. Like these sound good, man. They sound real good. Brings a little bit more clarity. Even though you can hear every word in mine, I don't care how loud you got it, how much bass, you can still hear the words. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'll fuck around and just put them right there, just for the hell of it. Y'all stay tuned, man. All right, try to get y'all a view of the way I do mine. So I just find, where I want it. Usually I put a marker around it or a pen or whatever. This time I'm just gonna freehand it. So take my Dremel, take the Dremel. Put the router bit on it. Don't know what it's really called, but that's what I use. I go for what I know. Just so y'all don't hear all that noise. You see what I'm saying? Then you just keep on checking. Keep checking, keep checking, keep checking. Yeah, that's the way I do mine, man. So I don't know how everybody else do theirs. They might have something else. Don't really matter to me. I just know the way I can do mine. Yeah, so just showing you how I do it. I mean, take it for what it's worth. All right, then, YouTube. I'm going to cut y'all back on when I get it in there, or damn near in there, and I can show you the next process that I do. All right. All right, YouTube. Like, it's almost in there. Almost. Like, at this point, this is what I do. see the vinyl. I try to pull the vinyl back and just get to the plastic, what I'm actually cutting. So when I'm pushing it in, the vinyl can fill in and the voids from the imperfection of the circle. So that's what I'm doing now. Cause you see, when I push it in, it made the mark of how much. So we almost there. That's my little tip that I do. All right, YouTube, got it in there. Got it in there. There ain't no perfect circle, but I can play with the vinyl instead of playing with a big ass hole, you know, and fill in the voids. You know, no glue, no nothing. It's just so tight. That's what I was saying. Y'all don't want to over tighten it. Make your hole too big. I'd rather it be too small and just keep edging it out and then lift it up so you can stick the vinyl underneath it. You know, yeah, underneath it when you're pushing it in. Nice and tight. I don't care what you do, you ain't pushing out unless you actually trying to test something up. So yeah. And then what I do now is I measure from here to the center with a tape measure. And that's how I know where to put the other one on the other side. But since I got this off, you know, I already got that down there, I'm gonna make some access. I mean, what do you call it? I forgot. But the lights that be lit up in the newer cars, I'm gonna put my bulb right here so it just light all this up. So y'all stay tuned for that too. All right, then, YouTube.
Niggas try to play me, I'ma blow 'em off the map, ASAP.
Nice and crisp.
They gonna say me, ASAP. Niggas hating on CSC, get straight ASAP. Niggas try to play me, I'ma blow 'em off the map, ASAP. I know a lot of rappers don't like me, but they won't bite me. Fans swear I said don't